Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of nature's most fascinating processes, photosynthesis, the secret behind how plants make their own food and give us oxygen we breathe. What is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy stored in glucose. According to the National Geographic Society 2024, plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose, a form of sugar that fuels their growth, and release oxygen as byproduct. The photosynthesis equation. The general equation for photosynthesis is 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. As described by Britannica 2024, this process happens mainly in chloroplast, where the green pigment chlorophyll captures light energy. Steps of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis happens in 2 main stages: light-dependent reactions and light-independent reactions or Calvin cycle. In the light-dependent reactions, these reactions occurs in thyroid membranes and needs sunlight. Here, light energy splits water molecules into oxygen, hydrogen, and electrons. In the second stage, which is the light-independent or Calvin cycle, the reactions occurs in stroma, the chloroplast, where the energy from first stage helps convert carbon dioxide into glucose. Then why photosynthesis is important? Photosynthesis is vital because it produces oxygen, essential for life on Earth, forms the base of the food chain, providing energy for living organisms, and helps regulate carbon dioxide atmosphere, reducing climate change impacts. So next time you see a plant, remember it's a tiny solar-powered factory turning sunlight into life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the green knowledge. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.